DeckTalk Express is running. External power on.
Hello, everyone. All right, today we're just doing some more software cataloging. Actually following through with what the schedule supposedly says. Doing some simple stuff today because I've spent the whole week working on the video that'll go out tomorrow, and nice, easy day sounds pretty good to me. So, yep, we're gonna be working on that here. You guys are talking about weird stuff over there. So, all right. Oh, you know what would have been smart? Yeah, I probably should have done that. Hold on. We need to turn on the video capture hardware. Give me one moment here. Yeah, that would have been a good idea. Why did I not do that? Holy moly! I walk away for 5 seconds and like things are going crazy. What happened to the deck talk? Why is that? Why do I not hear the deck talk? What? 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 Why no deck talk? What's going on? Okay. What? Hold on. Twitch gave out 2 subs. I thought it was 1 per 5. Okay, hold on. Deck Talk is on strike. Okay, so you guys didn't hear it either?
DeckTalk Express is running. External power on.
Weird. One moment. Gimme. You heard a beep, and then the deck talk will have said something. Okay. Let me make sure the serial config is correct. Go.
test.
End of line.
Okay. Twitch randomizes the amount of boosted subs. Ah, okay. All right. Well, I don't know why that didn't quite work. However, from 2 days ago when I wasn't streaming, I wanted to say thank you to Flarespire for... The Tech Talk still didn't go. What? Why? Okay, this, that all looks like it's probably good. I mean, the serial connection worked. Hold on, what is going on here? Let me try restarting the API. Hold on. Why did that not work? No, we have to have this working today, but why is it not? Did it do something stupid? Hold on here. Wait a minute. Is it this?
Tech Talk is now online.
End of line.
USB serial ports flipped between this and the Key AT. Okay, well, there we go. Alrighty. Okay, rip off your bits back. Nothing I can really do. I am so sorry. Let me do it all manually here. Flarespire from 2 days ago. Thank you for the tier 1 sub and for 30 days. I really appreciate that. Don't know if you're currently here. I may have missed chat. Chloe, thank you for the tier 1 sub there and for 9 months. Thank you. Dogface, thank you for gifting out 5 subs. Holy moly. Thank you so much there. And then that got 2 additional subs from Twitch added onto it. Vital Kneve, thank you for the tier 1 sub and for 25 months there. Dogface, thank you for the 100 bits. Poor Dizo, thank you for the 100 bits. Okay. You take credit for 7 gifted subs, yes. And F over on YouTube, hello there. Okay, I think that works. I think we're good now. It should all be functional. Okay. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, we're doing small box.
Stop. Gave a tier 1 gift sub to WHEELING007.
End of line.
Spauken gave a tier 1 gift sub to Lindistor.
End of line.
Spauken gave a tier 1 gift sub to
3 O's in
End
your
of
name
line.
always throws it off.
Spauken gave a tier 1 gift sub to Blur.
End of line.
Spauken gave a tier 1 gift sub to Warwick.
End of line.
Twitch gave a tier 1 gift sub to Necromatic.
End of line.
Twitch gave a tier 1 gift sub to 4M18.
Didn't know if it would read out Twitch or
End
not.
of line.
COPHT 2015 SIZHEER 100. I just want to say thank you to Twitch for only notifying me once I joined the stream of my own accord. Hi Shelby and chat.
End of line.
Seiji subbed as Prime and says,
End of line.
Spooky, thank you for the 5 gifted subs there. I really appreciate that. That also tripped Twitch into giving 2 additional ones. And then Cobb, thank you for the 100 bits. And Seigi, thank you for the Prime sub and for 22 months there. I appreciate that. All right. Yep, someday. In theory, all the logic's there, but it's just like, work. All right. For those of you who are here...
CHEER 100. My mental train has crashed on the buffers because it didn't notice them.
End of line.
Chloe, thank you for the 100 bits. For those of you who are here early, I'll give you a sneak peek of what we're doing for the rest of the weekend. I have CLR over there. Tomorrow, we're going to go back to the Simons, and we're going to, really well correct the battery damage. And then the day after that, we're going to go back to the server, because... things always just go great when we mess with the server. And instead of having 4 SATA drives in RAID 0, how about 6? Because I realized that I had these 480 gig Kingston drives that were previously attached to an Adaptec PCIe controller in the Xeon server, but I don't trust that controller anymore, and these are such a weird size that I don't have anything else that matches with them. But we can put 4 in the front, 2 in the back, and boom, 1 RAID there. So yeah, we'll probably do that. Is the image kind of dark? It might be. It's really difficult for me to tell because these monitors are all terrible, and I kind of have to like walk over there and adjust something. So let me just do that really quick. Additionally, the camera is in the teleprompter right now. Okay, we're gonna go, see, that's too much. Probably there, maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's go with that. Maybe that's fine. It looks okay. All right, even though those drives say they are 512s, they're actually 480. No, they actually say they're 480. They are Kingston SA 400 S37 480G. They're actual 480 drives. So, let's see. So you're supposed to enjoy today. Today will be easy. And today we're going to look at something else Dogface gave us, at least one thing. So yeah, it's this is a cheat cop out. Anyway, yeah. So, is video capture working? Of course not. Let me work on that for a second. Why no video capture, computer? Don't you like doing video capture? Video capture's fun, isn't it? Thought we all agreed on this. Why can't I open a web browser? You meant the other drives. If those other drives say 512, they're actually 480. I mean, I have Samsung drives that are both 500 and 512, and they are actually 512 and 500 respectively. Yeah. Why RAID 0? Because the entire purpose is to put files on there that don't really matter. So it doesn't, it's fine. It's for temp files and cache files, not for anything that I need to exist long term. Like, for example, Laserdisc rips. They could go onto that while I am trying to process the footage. That's the kind of thing that could go on there. So, all right. And click. Boom. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now we have video capture. Okay. Which means I can figure out where my mouse cursor is. There it is. And then click this. And we're ready to go start. Okay. Hi. Bye. I just need to turn on the light. And now we can begin. Okay. Whoa, bumped the thing. Don't want to bump the thing. Alrighty. Okay. Whew. All right. 2410 will finally ship Plasma 6.1.
Tier 1 gift sub to Pecker.
End of line.
Wesley Nixon gave a Tier 1 gift sub to Spazicop.
On the
End of
Plasma thing,
line.
look at this.
Wesley Nixon gave a Tier 1 gift sub to Crypto Derivatives.
No
Trader.
shortcut
End
button.
of line.
Twitch gave a Tier 1
I don't know
gift
what
sub
got
to
installed on the server now.
2018.
Is this?
End of
It's
line.
different. I don't
Wesley
know.
Nixon gave a Tier 1 gift sub to Copnet Pucci.
End of line.
Wesley Nixon gave a Tier 1 gift sub to Putapamin.
End of line.
Wesley, thank you for the 5 gifted subs there. I really appreciate that. Also, triggering Twitch to give out a bonus sub. All right. We're going to be doing some software cataloging again today, and I think we're actually going to have to immediately make a an adjustment to how the software is cataloged, annoyingly. So, because I accidentally picked up a thing, and it does not fit in any of the classifications. Come on, camera, you can do better than that. You can do better than that. There we go. Okay, so this is a jewel case sized cardboard box. How on earth do I classify this? I have no idea. I want to say like other. It's definitely not small box. No, small box is the only size that actually has a definition, and it's not that. Yeah, but it's not jewel case because it wouldn't fit in a jewel case holder. That's the other thing. Okay, technically jewel case has a size definition as well. That is a special edition, so we do have special edition. So we could say that, but I feel like that also doesn't fit the spirit of that. Yeah, I figure it's technically a digipack, although digipack's kind of weird. Yeah, it's not a digipack because it's a floppy. It's literally a cardboard box. Rectangular cardboard package with one or more plastic trays capable of holding a disc. Yeah, it's not. A jewel case that are paper that fit. So yeah, music CDs and that kind of package. I don't think this is what you guys think it is. Here. So this is a cardboard box. You flip open the side, okay? And then out pops a floppy, okay? And the world's smallest magazine. No. So it's floppies that are just in a box. So it's not quite a digipack. I'm thinking I might just call it other. Also, fun fact, this is from Scottsdale, Arizona. So this came from like a couple dozen miles away. Triple height with CD? Yeah, so yeah, it's actually a cardboard box. No, it is literally a cardboard box. Yeah, I think maybe other. Maybe we just add one more category that is other. Because I don't know. Yeah, we'll just add one for other, I suppose. Edit. The good thing is that since we're calling these properties, it'll be fine. How do I do, how, where's this? Here we go. Okay. So value, other, save. And I think that's it. Box type, other. Okay. That'll work. And then because it's going into a property for Semantic Wiki, it'll accept that. It does not have to exist already. Like miscellaneous. Yeah, but I think miscellaneous doesn't quite have the right context here because this is saying indifference to the other options. A smaller box, yeah. All right. Let's get our photo. Let's look at our photos. All right, hold on. Where is this at? Archive. Software. Is this it? Just now. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Magicotech says ZHEER 100. Infinite wisdom requires infinite perspective. Only by experiencing each element, each moment separately and in their own time does the beauty of the whole become apparent.
End of line.
Thank you for the... What on earth? What is a hype chest? Yeah, I don't know. For a second, I thought you were trying to do a Hawking quote there, Majenko. Because I'm a little surprised no one has done that. At least not that I'm aware of. Alright, I'm doing it this way because the shadow is like enormous and I didn't put it up to the bottom. Over your hype, yeah. Alright, there we go. Save. Boom. Look at that. It's like there's a plane and then some stuff, and that's the box. Alright. Pop. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta make this real tiny and then do this. Okay. Title. Raptor. And then shareware. Okay, you approve this box art? It's pretty good, actually. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, let's see what year it's from. 94. Okay. Whoa. Okay, this might actually be pretty good. This looks like a shmup. Ooh. I'm immediately more interested. Has a UPC. Guess gold medallion was on top of it. We got to actually put the UPC in the UPC thing. Box condition, I think I give it a 4. It's a little rough. Okay, it is a 144. It's for IBM PC exclusively. All right. What game considers a square diskette? Boxes as other? Ah, score. That's nice. Okay, photo name. This box. Okay. I think that's it. Other blah 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 blah. Alrighty. Go. We're gonna check this one really quick. Just because we added a new box type classification. Okay, so later I will click this page, go through it, and then add the ability to sort by media format, kind of like this, but except it'll be the box type and it'll be other, and then it'll be like literally just that one. So, okay. Boom. First one down. All right. Since Dogface is here and I accidentally put this at the bottom of the stack, we're going to go ahead and do this first here. I got a box that is orange, and it is some run your Windows games on Mac without Windows. Wait, this is not a... Wait, this is... I thought this was a game. Hold on, this is actually kind of cool. Wait a minute, this is like... Mac wine? Wait, what is this? Okay, I'm not kidding. I thought this was a GTA knockoff. No, it's actually like a thing. Hold on, this is kind of cool. We're gonna have to look this up more. Huh. Okay, I'm trying to like visualize if the angle of the camera is correct. I think it is, and I think it's so good it's throwing me off. So, all right, I'm gonna let it refocus. I'm just gonna take a picture, and then I'm going to move this down. Time to bust out a Mac? That sounds like work, so pass. Okay, now we're gonna do this. There we are. Retake the photo. And then now we get to cheat. Crop, and then that's all dark, so it'll work. There we go. All right, we're gonna look this up, because now I'm curious. Also, because I don't really know what to title it. Cross over games. This might be kind of cool here. Was wondering when you get around to this? Yeah, I didn't know. Code Weavers, crossover. Wait, do they still sell this? Wait, is it wine? Hold on, is this Code Weavers? This is Code Weavers. Oh my gosh, this is commercial wine. That's exactly what this is. So for those of you who don't know, Code Weavers are the commercial arm of wine. That's cool. Raptor is Call of the Shadow. Yeah, Call of the Shadows. Okay, this it's literally a box copy of wine. That's kind of awesome. Okay. Huh. It's in here, right? Yeah, I was just we're on the same page here. Yes, it is. There is a CD in there. I presume a CD. I should double check that it's not a DVD. Looks like it is. Yep, it's a CD. Okay, that's super duper cool. It's Intel Mac only. Huh. So yeah, Codeweaver developers make up 2/3 of the Wine commits. The majority of the development we do goes into Wine first because it becomes part of our commercial product crossover. What? Hellecraft, I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't have any copies of that on my server. Archive? I mean, I guess. We can make an exception here because this seems kind of interesting. We can archive this one immediately. Plus, it's a CD, so it's really easy. We also know now that this is one word. No, I also didn't copy that. See, exactly. We're all above board here. Everyone is all good. Did Wine support Linux initially? I think it did. I'm pretty sure one of my Red Hats has Wine in it. I was just trying to think, like, would they just have had a Mac version only they sold or something? Because it's weird.
Paul Guy, did you know that if you CHER 100 you can get your message read out by a real hardware deck talk?
End of line.
Janko, thank you for the 100 bits. Okay, so CD ripping. Pretty sure Wine started out on Linux. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. So it's weird to see the commercial Mac package. It's so strange. All right, we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna believe that the product name is Crossover Games. Crossover Games. Need to use your phone to share bits. Doesn't work in your browser? Oh, that is strange. All right. Rip in Q single. All right, that can chug away on that while we set this up. Notes, commercial, release of Wine. UPC. Boop. Box condition. I am giving it a 3 because there was a sticker on the bottom that was ripped off. Actually, it might even, I think I have to give it a 2 actually, because the artwork is permanently damaged. Box type, it is small box. It is CD. Got that for the Mac laptop that's sitting next to me on the shelf of doom. Depending on the vintage, it either came from CompUSA or Fry's. Remember, working well for what it was. I'm gonna guess Fry's based on the location of damage from the presumably price sticker being peeled off. All right, it is Mac. Oh, I don't have Mac Intel in there? Mac. Not man. Hold on. What is that one? A book? Intel. Okay. So Mac Intel, that'll work. That'll match up with other stuff. Media type. Year 2008. Not 1998, 2008. Check. Okay, that all looks good. To interrupt with something unfunny, that's exactly what Majenko just did. It's fine. No one should ever feel bad about using the deck talk, just to be clear. If I thought it was an interruption, I would stop doing it, like I did with the byte breaks. All right, I'm curious what this did. Oh, we actually extracted the ISO, kind of. Interesting.
Magicotech says the best time to CHER 100. Is when Shelby is trying to record an intro to a video.
End of line.
So don't use the deck talk the way David uses the deck talk. But Jaco, thank you for the 100 bits. Thank you for your interest in crossover games. Crossover allows you to install your favorite Windows games on an Intel Macintosh. In particular, crossover games supports Guild Wars, Team Fortress 2, and many other Steam-based games. That is quite the claim there. Huh. This is cool. Oh, the orange box. We got an orange box here. I mean, this came out of an orange box as well. All right, so that's that one done. Also archived. I will have to figure out how I'm going to get that to my server at some point because my, Dogface will I think Dogface gave this to me? No, I'm not sure. Anyway, this 250 gig 960 Evo seems to have died. It's not been a good month for Samsung drives for me. Because when I plug this in now, it doesn't work. I thought this was the like super long, weird looking one, not a Samsung. Jeez. Why is this not working? There we go. This way. Click. Okay. All right. I would say I should set this aside so that I take a look at it sooner, but it actually would just be better off on the shelf, so we're going to do that. Anyway, the documentation there reminded me we should take a look at an orange box. So, we're going to do Halo 2. All right. This one, based on the white up there, we're not going to be able to get away with an aggressive auto crop. Also, the camera is slightly rotated wrong. Let's do that. That looks better. Do you have your actual orange box? I know what an orange box is. Okay. And picture. There we go. Okay. I have never played a Halo game beyond crashing onto the Halo in Halo. That's it. Wow, that was a terrible crop. Useless. I always start and then the weapon switching sucks, and then I wonder why people accepted the Torok grade field of view on a game that knew, and then I am done. All right. This there. All right. Halo 2. Okay. Release year. I have literally no clue. 2007, apparently. UPC. It's probably missing. Yep, because it's a Microsoft box, which means it was on a sticker up there. Is that a dead game? I have no clue. I assume it has a single-player campaign. I would not know. It is small box. It is... $4. It's a DVD. It is for Windows. Okay, I think we're good there. All right. Go ahead and make page. Okay. Now, we have a box with some orange on it. Specifically, it's on the back, but we want the front. Overlord, which I think is, I don't know. This is, if I remember correctly, Dungeon Keeper, but like not Dungeon Keeper, but then weirdly it's made by Codemasters. Okay. Also, the shadows and everything are not doing so great here. Why is that? You know what? I shouldn't have looked right at the light. Why did I do that? It's a Vista game, not XP. Literally requires Vista right there. Camera, why are you not working? Oh my gosh, I really like it when the camera works when I have this set up, because this is just blinding. Ugh.
BEZO one subbed as tier 1 and says,
End of line.
One moment. There we go, finally. Bezo1, thank you for the tier 1 sub and for 17 months of hanging around. I appreciate it. All right. Oh my gosh. New California law. So, yes, I have also seen a response about it from Bosman, who is one of the organizers for Stop Killing Games. And their thought was pretty much the same as mine, that the law is helpful, but it's not the goal. So, for those of you who don't, haven't heard of it, California, apparently today or something, maybe yesterday, I'm not exactly sure when it happened, but California passed a law requiring plain language that states when you purchase a digital game, it is clear that you are not like getting an individual copy. You are purchasing a license that can be revoked. And language like buy is not being allowed to be used. It's supposed to be communicated in such a way that you are gaining temporary access. So my take on that is that solves nothing, because that requires people to think about their future, which they don't. So yeah, but I mentioned that I saw a comment about it by one of the organizers of Stop Killing Games. They talked about it, saying that was one of their minimum goals.
1089 subbed as tier 1 and says at least it's more honest. Yay.
End of
Yes.
line.
It was one of their minimum goals that they would be willing to try to walk back to. But the fact that California went and did it all on their own means that it moves their goalposts. So in a way, it is beneficial to Stop Killing Games, but it doesn't really help. Yeah. You're going to let your harassment out. Yeah. If you're not aware of Stop Killing Games, Dogface, well, you're not in Europe, so it really doesn't matter, unfortunately. Other than you could use your platform to try and push it. But yeah, wait, why did Halo not go? Hold on. Oh, I didn't do a photo name. Halo 2 box, which also means it uploaded that incorrectly. Okay, go. So, Redshift, thank you for the tier 1 sub there. And for, is this it? Yeah, that's it. 29 months. Thank you, Redshift. So you need to get your parents signed up? That would be excellent. Yeah, definitely. All right, title. It's Overlord. Overlord, yes. Oh, it's Overlord 2. Overlord 2. You could barely tell. I mean, I don't know about barely, but like there's the dude holding 2 in the background. Like I actually did not notice that at first. So it's Overlord 2. I almost messed that up. 2009. Now, if you like the concept of Dungeon Keeper, and you want to play a Dungeon Keeper knockoff instead of actual Dungeon Keeper, but you don't want to play this one, you can try War for the Overworld, which features the original narrator slash voice actor from original Dungeon Keeper, which is really cool. All right. It's like new. It's small box. It's DVD. Probably PC only, but with Codemasters, I'm not 100% sure. Oh, it gets a 4. There's a dent in the back. Actually, I'm going to give it a 3 because it's like a hole. Okay, yeah, no Mac. This product uses a copyright protection system. Please visit codemasters.com for further details. You know, at least I appreciate they put that on the box, but now this goes into the possibly dead category. Overlord is more like Pikmin than Dungeon Keeper. You just made that sound really interesting. Really. A dark Pikmin would be kind of sweet.
Chloroku says CHEER 100 game description. No max slightly cheesy.
End of line.
Oh, thank you for the 100 bits. All right, Overlord 2 box, and all that's good. Okay, go. Boom. Next up is a box that, it's not orange, it's red. Sorry. All right. One of the most confusing game franchises of all time. Oh, did Industrial Annihilation... blah, blah, blah. Hold on. Industrial Annihilation. Did it make it? I think our goal was 250, right? 200. Yes. I did not back this because it's no physical edition, collector's edition, commemorative collector's game box. That is not a physical copy of the disc. Hat would be kind of cool. And then any more, and it's just junk, like a statue of this enemy that we have no attachment to because we've never seen the game. Anyway, that game directly traces its lineage back to this game. And I forget exactly, there's a precursor to this one too that I don't remember what it is. It is escaping me. Wait, there's like space stuff in this? I've never actually played Supreme Commander. I've only played, it's Total Annihilation. That's the precursor to this? Okay. Yeah, so I've played, oh, this is sealed. I played, the Planetary Annihilation, which is, oh, so good, man. So good. All right, so this one is Supreme Commander. A sealed paperweight. It's games for Windows, not games for Windows Live. And even at that, we determined not all games for Windows Live games are dead. We installed Fallout and Flatout, Ultimate, I think that's what it's called, and they both worked just fine. So yeah, not all games for Windows Live games are dead, but this one is just games for Windows, which was just... It was an attempt to come up with a marketing standard for this. It lasted not very long. Yeah. Anyway, I want to try this one at some point. Supreme Commander year. 2005. 2007. UPC, not Microsoft, so it's on the back where it should be. Box condition, 5. Notes condition, sealed. Box type, small box, says it's a DVD. IBM PC, don't know if it'll support Mac. That's not impossible, but it does not. Okay. For those of you who may not have any idea what I'm going on about here with like how good this is, and
Microsoft has tier 1 and says catalog this : D.
End of line.
Hiram, thank you for the tier 1 sub and for 31 months. Holy moly, thank you so much. For those of you who have never tried Planetary Annihilation, oh, do yourself a favor and try it. It is an RTS where you can take planet, look at other planet, and go smash. And if that doesn't sell you on it, I don't know what can sell you on a game. You can literally smash one planet into another. It's the greatest thing ever. It's so good. All right. Why did I put Halo in the softbox area? All right. Up next is a box that, ooh, I forgot I own this. I kind of want to try this at some point. Are all channels eligible for custom subscriber badges? Maybe. I tuned out. What game lets me smash planets? I have some rage need to get out. Planetary Annihilation. You know how you build a wonder in Age of Empires? In Planetary Annihilation, you build 6 wonders, but they're rocket engines strapped to the side of a planet, and then it allows you to fling one planet into another. It's incredible. It's an RTS that takes place in a solar system. So you can just, like, say, yeah, you like this? Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's the ultimate way to win. It's amazing. And like Age of Empires, it plays like a king match where you have your commander. Planetary Annihilation Titans. Yeah, you can get that one too. It's basically the same thing. So, Titans is, it's kind of like DLC, but I think it's an all new game. But yeah. Solar Smash. Okay, hold on. I'm interested. Oh, is it a Flash game? That's hilarious. But yeah. Anyway, I am a sucker for, I don't even know how to describe this because I've never played any of them. But let me phrase it this way. Ross Scott made Dungeon Siege 1 look really good, and I want to try it at some point. I think Dungeon Siege 2 may not be as good, but I haven't got my hands on a copy of Dungeon Siege 1 yet. Mixing that up with Ashes of Singularity, yeah, I could see that. I've never played Ashes, but I can see that. Dungeon Siege 2. This is going to sound like the dumbest comment ever, but I'm really glad that the words dungeon and siege are on there because those are 2 words that I can never spell correctly without being able to see them. It's from 2005. UPC. It is a Microsoft game, so yep, no UPC. Box condition, it gets a 4. Because there's some minor tears at the edge. When these aren't perfect, it's like really critical that they're not perfect. CD, and it'll be IBM PC only. Okay, go. Boom. All right. Yeah, we'll do another one. It's also got a lot of orange on the box. It's kind of messy, though. All right, here we go. It's Worms! So this is going to sound weird. I did want this, but I also just kind of want these games separately, and I kind of have a rule of thumb. I don't buy greatest... I try to avoid collections, all right? And I bought this game for the same reason I also bought... Let me just get a new page open here. It's for the same reason I also bought Crazy... Wait a minute. E-Games. Crazy Drake. Okay. I bought it for the same reason I bought this. I don't care about this. I care about what it represents. This game, to me, represented the possibility of finding a physical copy of Hydro Thunder. Because I knew these existed as individual games, and I didn't at this time own my physical copy of Hydro Thunder. I now do, but it's also a sold-out software release. So this is like third-party publisher greatest hits. So yeah, it's kind of as far as like an actual package goes. But I found this in a thrift store. That's a Saver sticker, and or Value Village if you're not familiar with Savers. And I was hoping I could find Hydro Thunder, but I never did. So yeah, physical copy, best description of arcade cabinets ever. It's not what I meant. I own it for PC. Hydro Thunder was released for Windows, and I own that too. I'm not 100% sure where it is. Let me go see if it's on the shelf we're going through or not. I mean, it should be here somewhere. But with the videos that I made, I don't actually know where it ended up. Yeah, I don't see it there immediately, unless that's it. That is it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, physical copy of Hydro Thunder for PC. So I was hoping this sold out release here made me think I was hoping I could find that one here, but no, I had to import that from Europe. So yeah. I'm not a collection collector, correct. But anyway, this does not have an official title. What's it say on the spine? On the spine, it just says the name of the two games. And then it's 2 CDs in there. Oh my gosh, are these even usable? They're not looking great. Yeah, it's Worms 2 and Worms Armageddon. I don't know how I want to handle this. I mean, it's an actual physical release. It has a UPC and everything, so it's worth it, but like, ugh. I need to order a new gas strut for this chair. But yeah, it's, anyway, that was the reason I bought this. This has too much white on it. We're going to manually crop this because it is not going to auto crop. Okay, I've said this before, but I'll say it again because I didn't say it when I brought it up. E-Games Crazy Drake. E-Games is the company who made Marble Drop. No, not Marble Drop. Marble Mat. It's not Marble Madness. Oh my gosh, Marble Blast. That's it, Marble Blast. E-Games made Marble Blast. And I would lose my mind if I could find a big box copy of Marble Blast, but I have not. So, yeah. This represents to me the possibility of finding a big box copy of Marble Blast, which I would love. So yeah, that's what that, why that, yeah. Okay. Caused a large increase in machines. I had to authorize memory maps for so they could play the games. Oh, interesting. Okay. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we're popping this in here. Okay. That, there, and then sold out. I don't know. Is it one word or not? Dude, this chair's driving me nuts today. Might have gotten this question before, but if you did use a third-party game collection cataloging app, what would it be? So that's not That's not applicable to me, all right? And I can very, very quickly show you why. Random page. Boom. There we go. First thing. No game place is going to have VisiCalc Plus for the HP Series 80. And I consider this as something that should go in the same collection area as everything else. So that's the problem. This computer has a bunch of software for it that is just straight up not going to be anywhere else. So that kind of complicates it. And then additionally, you might think, okay, well, that's an edge case. That's just like some weird nerd computer. It's not games, except here's games for it. So this games one wouldn't be anywhere either. Dude, I'm gonna have, this chair is seriously driving me insane here. So yeah, there's nowhere I could reasonably do that, unfortunately. All right, we did the worms, sold out. Let's see, sold software. Hold on, we'll just look this up. Sold out games. Seriously? Sold out software. Okay, so they're calling it space and then that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and say this. I'm curious. I don't have permission to view more? Really? What is a cargo query? This is clearly running MediaWiki, which, you know, I actually didn't know. Oh, semantic MediaWiki. Ooh, oh, there's cargo. Okay, what's cargo? MediaWiki provides a lightweight way to store and query the data contained within the calls to templates, such as info boxes. It is similar in concept to semantic wiki, offers a number of advantages, including ease of installation and ease of use. Well, why didn't I use this? And why are they using both? Dude, did I hitch my cart to a dying horse? Well, this is used in more. Huh, interesting. All right. Anyway, space. Sold out. Colon. Worms 2 and Worms Armageddon. Worms 2. Ampersand. You know what? We're not going to do ampersand. And Worms Marage Dawn. All right. It's from... Hold on, it's not from 1997. Copyright 2005. Wow. 2005. UPC. Beep. Beep. Okay. Requires Macromedia Shockwave and Flash. I forgot those are different. Ew, this one's gross. It's got goo on it. Box condition 2, 3. We'll call it 3. It's just dirty. It's not bad. Box type, DVD case. We have not done a DVD case yet. Good. Okay. You have no idea. I was trying to read that word strangely, and it was, my brain was trying to autocorrect to Armage Tron, which is amazing. We have Mac OS builds. Dude, this is still going? I had no idea. Okay, so if you don't know what Armagetron is, early 2000s homebrew that is just Tron Light Cycles. It's incredible. It's so good. It's perfect. You could not want more than what this provides. It's great. Highly recommended. Actually, hold on. They never had like a... no, they probably can't sell it because, like, well, obvious reasons. Okay. It's a CD. It's 2 CDs, actually. IBM PC. It says 98 ME and XP. Okay, so no Mac. Create page. Yeah, I think Disney would have a word or two to say about it. Yes, they would. Boring. All right. The next title is not the one that was initially planned, but you know, why not? We got it here. Hydro Thunder. All right, and this one's kind of beat up. It's getting a 2. Helen Croft mentioned I should have a checkbox for which games I've played. I don't think I'll ever bother with that because the percentage is always going to be very pitiful. But I do want one for games that I have archived, for which this would get the box checked. The lame PC version, the PC version is really good. I'm not sure what you mean by lame. Additionally, the arcade version is the PC version. It'll be judged by what you haven't played. Yeah. How many of you want me looking through which Steam games and Humble Bundle games you've never played, huh? Huh? I have openly admitted before that this collection is a large part games that I don't want to miss out on owning. So let's say R Factor here. Actually, this one's really cool, okay? This is a perfect example, okay? This is a racing game where you can do like really heavy customization of your cars, all right? Sounds really awesome. This is a game that I'm very interested in, but it would probably be, I don't know how hard it would be to find, but I don't want something like this to become difficult to find and then not be able to play later. This is more of a problem for like really collectible and obscure games, not so much that. Although that one's probably a little obscure. Who's the developer? Probably really weird. You know what? Now I'm just curious. eBay.com. How common is R Factor? R Factor game. Also, by the way, okay, there's 2 Descent 3s for Linux up right now. It's insane. It took me so long to find that. Okay, so it's pretty common. Oh, but a little spendy, maybe? Interesting. Definitely common enough, though. So that's not necessarily the best example. All right. We're not doing that one next. Do you archive any PC game software? Just the stuff? Do I archive any? So we haven't started on that yet. Here is my philosophy on that. We have not started in bulk. We did do some 8-inch stuff because that's a whole other nightmare. But for boxed software like this, I would like to know what I have first and then start archiving after. Because then I'll be able to go through the list of what I have and do that later. So, yeah. But yeah, it will be everything. I will archive everything eventually. It's the goal, at least. All right, capture 100 is Hydro Thunder. Okay. Yeah, I am nervous about what may have happened to LJR as well. But yeah, don't know. Only thing I know is he's kind of far north. But yeah, that's the thing. I don't know. as someone in a similar position hobby-wise, let's phrase it, I mean, nearly identical, this stuff is not just like, you know, expensive and a lot of it can be irreplaceable. So even if he has everything like fully insured, it can be just gone. And I really hope that it wasn't that bad, but I don't know. Because think about it, he has like 1,600 big box games. Like, in water. Well, the stuff is in the house. Here's why I mentioned that, all right, also, because this is his job. Like, it's really concerning. Anyway, 2 for this box-type DVD case. Are you thankful our weather is stable? The Desiac is one of the reasons why I live here. I had a large portion of my family move to California, and I was like, see ya, because, no. So cryoflexing and scanning everything is important? Yes. Well, I mean, in the case of the software, like, that's a significant investment. Yeah. All right. Oh, Hydro Thunder box. It should be case. You know, I'm just going to standardize box. All right, so let's go with that. UPC, blah, 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 all that. Okay, go. And BS Repellent. You should add a new field archive so you can see if you did before. So that's the goal, but here's how I've been handling that. The list of titles that I've archived is relatively insignificant. It's probably less than 1% of what I have cataloged. So what I'll do is when I'm ready to do that, I'm going to, let's look at a recent changes here, all right? If you look through this, you'll see a segment like this. A large number of titles changed at the exact same time. I ran an API tool against my website so that I could mass update all of the pages. So when I am ready, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that and then mark everything as not archived, and then I'll go through the handful of things that I have currently archived in this series of collection, and then I will be able to go through and start archiving them. And then here's the cool thing, okay? One of the reasons why cataloging all this first is so important. I will be able to make a page on this wiki that looks at all titles that are not archived and make a list based on that. So from there, I can update a list of like, hey, archive these today, all right? And then, you know, it can present 5 titles a day for me to try and archive, and I can tick those off, and then, you know, hey, I archived 5 things today, I'm done. So that's going to be a really cool feature to have. Now, I don't know where we're currently at with the amount of titles in here software-wise. I'm a little concerned. Wait, what happened to LGR? His collection got waterlogged? We don't really know, Digital Ice Age. He mentioned that his house got hit hard from the hurricane. That's all we know. So we're at 700 titles. So yeah, it's going to be a lot to archive. But yeah. Wanted to move to Arizona for a very long time. I got bad news. You should have moved here a very long time ago, because now it's so stupidly expensive. It's so bad. The real estate here is just destroyed. This is a weird DVD case. It's got like a single, like, grip thing here. It's different from every other one I've ever seen. It's much smaller, more inset. Huh. We made a Twitter thing too. Okay. I want to plug my nose, go on Twitter for a second, because I would like to know. Okay. That's basically the same as what he posted on Patreon. Okay. Laughs and purchased in 2013. That's about as good as you could have got. Yeah. I know everyone goes there to retire. Oh, that's not what's happened. No. I mean, that's kind of it. I really hope we're not the new Florida. That would suck. That's not a... It's not an image I had of the place, but I'm too close to it, so, you know. This box is really dark, so an aggressive crop should work. That's why I'm thankful for the extreme heat. Oh, yeah, that's one nice thing. So actually, on the retirement, it's really common for people up north to have, like, winter homes here, all right? So they'll have 2 homes, and one of them's here. We call them snowbirds. They come here during their winters, so they can be warmer. And then when summer comes around, they have to leave or they will die because of the heat. And you think I'm kidding, but I am not. So yeah, we have a lot of people who come here like that, annoyingly. Gonna do that this year. You're not old enough that you will burst into flames, though. So, I'm gonna mark the version because it seems like that's how they rolled with this. Alright. R-Factor version box. I feel like it'd be dash, but none of the box artwork says dash, so. Yeah. 1/12 at the end of September. Yeah, Desiac, we're screwed. I have no idea what's going on here. I think I commented on this like last weekend or something. How it used to be cold in October here. We're cruising into October in the 110s, okay? Like, I can't even believe it. It's gonna be insane. We're so gonna die. And I just mean the planet. Yeah, Dogface, it's insane. What on earth? This is the weirdest case ever. Look at this. There's no spindle hub, all right? You pull aside things on the side, and then you can release it. There's one on each side. This case is designed to be able to hold, like, 10 DVDs in here. Rip your AC bills? Yeah. For, like, 8 months this year. All right, box condition 5. I'm actually going to put a note. Highly unusual thick DVD case style box. It is small box, CD, nope, DVD, and IBM PC. Okay. Worst I've ever experienced, my neck of the woods is 104. Yeah, we can easily add 20 to that. Easily. Which, fun fact, next time it's summer now, I have a pyrometer here, and I say summer, and by summer I mean next week. I mentioned that when I walked out of the office, there was no way it was like only 115 or whatever. It felt like it was 130. I can now check because I have a IR thermometer now, and I would like to know. I just recorded this summer here was 87. Sure, yeah, okay. All right, that was R-Factor. Okay. Okay. Up next is a game that, oh, there is technically some orange in the artwork. I was going to say, there's no orange in this artwork at all. But would you look at that? That guy's face is orange, and that is... moving along, it's Quake 4, a game I highly, highly recommend. This game is better than Doom 3. I'm going to say it. It is. It's better than Doom 3. And if you've never played Quake 4 and you like first-person shooters, you should absolutely try this one. It is excellent. It plays exactly the same as Doom 3, but less clunky, and it has vehicles. You have glorious Arizona highway, so take your cooler weather and end of line. Yeah. Dude, okay. Every time I have ever gone to, it's been exclusively California, so, you know, it's the only place I've ever been I can compare to. Every time I go to California and have to deal with you guys' weird spiral highways that branch out from one city on the coast, I don't understand how you live that way. Here, we have the foresight, and everything is a grid. So you can give me crossroads for a location, and I can get there without a map. It's so nice. So yeah, our roads rock. Grids are awful for dense traffic flow. I don't know why they would be. Everyone's got to get to the place they're going. Grids just mean you have many parallel ways of getting there. One mission, though, has you driving around big enemies that shoot missiles at you? Yes. Pulled into the end of the level area, which autosaved with missile following me. Oh, gosh. That sucks. Have rock roads? No. Government data official has highest recorded of 25.8 Celsius. I don't know what that is in funny money, so, you know, whatever. Actually, only for right now do I know roughly what that is. So that'll be, yeah, like 83, maybe. Much more stopping and turning. I mean, most of them are timed well so that you don't really have that. I don't know. I don't know what kind of urban area you would live in that would not have a lot of stopping like that. So I don't know. Anyway, Quake 4 Special DVD Edition. I don't remember what makes it so special. I think there's like a making of or something or another. Let's see. Oh, there's two. Two DVDs. Okay, bonus DVD. Does not say what's on it. We think it's PC DVD or like video DVD. Looks like it's made in the same production process as the game, so I'm guessing it's more software type stuff. Through the power of lane splitting, you can hit all green lights. Oh, gosh, I hate the lane splitting. This should be 2000... I want to say 6, but I don't know about the DVD one. 2005, okay. All right, not a Microsoft product, but it still doesn't have a UPC. Weird, okay. Yes, we laughing at myself in February when we were minus 40. Yeah. Box condition, I'm giving it a 4 because that's some pretty bad sticker residue on it. Box type, small box. DVD, PC, and I think that's it. Oh, hold on. Box. Really do need to make this, like, pull the title and use that. Oh, Digital Ice Age, I don't know. They're really bad here. We have the most dangerous stretch of the road in the United States here, you know. So I don't know if you want to try and play the who has the worst drivers game. Oh, another box that's mostly orange. i17 101. Have a video of me running a server in a literal blizzard floating around. Yeah. You know, Dell PowerEdge can huff snow and be fine. Oh my gosh. I don't see how, because this is going to turn to water in it. That seems awful. Anyway, someone was watching this last Friday, and they commented that they have this. This is the slightly thick DVD case copy of Unreal Tournament 2004. May not be broken carbon fiber Hayabusa fairing on the 101 the other night. Someone doing dumb things. Oh gosh. That sounds expensive. Seeing as both the words Hayabusa and carbon fiber are in that sentence. Never seen so many dented quarter panels and broken windshields in Cincy. So that kind of thing doesn't happen here. People just die. That's what happens. You don't get minor traffic collisions here. The roads are not laid out that way. You just have traffic deaths. You know what? Actually, this should not go here because there's, well, this is Editor's Choice Edition. Is this different? Does this have like more levels? The complete Unreal Tournament 2004 bonus disc with hours of video tutorials. Oh, that's kind of cool. Unreal scripting, mutators, weapon design, Maya fundamentals, static meshes, character development, vehicle design. Dude, it teaches you how to mod the game. Anyone miss when Epic was cool? Like, dang. It's impossible for, you literally can't get anywhere without a car. Here. Buses are a joke too, because, I mean, you're just going to be sitting there melting. Everything is fine. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Yeah. Super cool. You got all the dev stuff. UT2K. Too young to really get anything from it. Also, high 3D printing height platforms for. Oh, interesting. All right. Anyway, it's oh, I was trying to decide if this should be separate or not, because technically, Unreal Tournament 2004, we already have. Oh no. All the big box PC games are not cataloged. How? Oh no. What happened? Because that's a small box, which isn't marked a small box, and this is a big box, which isn't marked. This would be marked big box if this was old. I don't know how box type did not get mentioned here, but this is small box. Great. Well, I will have to look at the website and then go through every item on every shelf and figure out what has been missed. Cool. Great. I don't know how that happened. Oh, big box. No, so, Dziak, here's how it worked. Everything that was already cataloged got marked big box. And then I went back and marked things that were not big box as what they should be. And then we started cataloging small box. So it's possible that a couple of small boxes got in there without being properly tagged, but no small boxes should be marked big box. But everything else should be marked correctly. But I don't know how that got missed. Let's look at it from a different perspective. Yeah, it's not there. Hmm. I don't like that. Great. I'm going to set this aside. Man, thought we were done with big boxes. All right, so there's going to have to be a verification pass. We're going over everything. That's going to suck. All right, I'm going to mark this one as different because it contains different things, and I'm going to mark it as box type special edition because it kind of is. Unreal Tournament 2004 Editor's Choice Edition. Because it does contain something different. Like, for example, Sim Theme Park. Yeah, we have Park and Gold Edition. Those are separate. So I'm gonna state that when the contents of the game are different, relevant to the game, then it is considered a different release. Although that's so fuzzy. Ooh, this could be bad. I don't know. Because, for example, Dragon's Lair. We have one for the Coleco Atom and one for IBM PC. And you know those aren't even slightly the same. I'm trying to decide if this should go on the Unreal Tournament 2004 page or not. That already, exists. Maybe it should. All right, let's just do that. I'll just do that for now. Unreal Tournament 2004. This is also making the number of software titles I have smaller than it should be. But, oh well. Edit. Also, I have to upload a file. Think the Addams family ever owned a Coleco Atom? Yeah. Yeah, Gadget Blues, we were talking about that a little before. He also posted about it on Twitter, so the knowledge is public. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. I'm very nervous for him and what that could mean in the long run. Yeah, Majenko, number go down. Rules are made up in terms of potato quality, but box categorization doesn't matter. I don't know. It's really difficult to say. It's very difficult. Okay, this gets game cover. Where is it? Board game cover, video game cover. In the long run, for the vintage computer community, or I'm concerned about his ability to work because his collection could be damaged. Have I spoken to Google Fiber yet? I am not doing that until I sign a lease, so no. Okay, so we can copy this template, make a new one, and then we're going to call this the Editor's Choice one. Editor's Choice Edition. IBM PC Linux checks out. Like new? Yeah, it pretty much is. Got a sticker on it, but meh. Okay. Boom. Oh, gosh. Unreal. How did I miss the big box one? And whether or not he's been able to check the storage units yet. Those might be safer. I don't know. Depends on whether or not it was flooding there. I don't know. I didn't realize it reached up that far. UPC should be different. This is DVD as well. he ever starts a GFM for a new abode. Looked at it for his area. I don't know how bad it is. I have not. Some flooding. Ooh. Yeah, I know Digital Ice Age, or at least I pieced it together. Think I-10 after that monsoon from 2015. Dude, I have an incredible video from the, wasn't it 2013? I have an incredible video from the monsoon from that where, and I can't show it, the area around my house was flooded, but thankfully the house was not. And it was insane. Existential dread of big earthquake that's overdue. Yeah, don't have that here. Flooding here only happens because the ground isn't designed for it. It doesn't absorb water well. Anyway, continuing on. How about a box with some orange? Whichever one had cars completely underwater. Yeah, I think it was 2013. Well, Yellowstone's going to kill us all, Digital Ice Age. You don't have to worry about that. It won't be just Washington. Like, I'm pretty sure the Pyroclastic flow is going to take out, like, all of the United States. Anyway, this gets a weird technicality of it might be a small box. I don't know. Before or after WD3, yeah, really. Alright, it's very dark. Alright, there we go, back. So one nice thing about this is that I was able to immediately notice, since I was using a website that's hosted on the house internet that went down. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. Why did I leave us? Because my only option for cable internet in this state/city is terrible. So, if you think my office internet looks bad, it's more stable than the internet that I could get by paying a lot of money. It's awful. Anyway, Warcraft Battle Chest. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so we're going to just add to... No, this is Warcraft 3. Warcraft 3 Battle Chest. Okay, so, yeah, we have the small box version of this here. So we're just going to go ahead and duplicate this, I guess. The trim was successful, right? Yeah, it looks good. Is it getting the shadow? That's impressive. Pick your own internet provider? Yeah. I don't think I want to deal with that. My own ISP that provides only one address internet access. Warcraft 3 Battle Chest. Small box. No, I hit enter, idiot. Now I have to do something different. Come on, let me select it. Okay, now we have to go to this, edit source, and boom, fix the licensing. Currently, all images are licensed correctly on the wiki, and I try to maintain that. If you go to look at any of the box arts, it shows that the licensing, non-free license, should not be copied or reproduced because it is a game cover. It is specifically marked, and that an effort has been made for fair use on here. Check out the hilarious video, Play with Junk, about how online stores selling air horns are going to destroy the universe. Gosh. All right. Let's copy this. Boom. Okay. Platform or box type, small box. UPC. Actually, I'm curious. Is the UPC the same? No, it is different. Okay, there is one really, really cool thing about this release, okay, for the thing here. It contains the cutest little tiny strategy guides you've ever seen. These are hilarious. The big box version comes with the full-size ones, but these are the same content as like the full-on collector strategy guides, but just like so tiny. It's hilarious. I love this version because of this. This might be why I bought this one. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's awesome. And now the box is unfolded correctly. There we go. Whew. How's that the only one with Warcraft in the title? Oh, because most of the big boxes have capture, blah, 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 from Google Photos being annoying. Okay. I think that's it. Save. Yep. And now we got both there. Cool. See, these are identical. Oh, this is also Mac? Really? Hold on. Mac OS X, it uses a G3. This is Power Mac. I did not realize that. Is the other one Power Mac? Hold on. Save. I'm going to go look at the other one really quick, just to see if it's Power Mac. Well, here's StarCraft. It is! StarCraft is Mac, too. Really? Huh. That's bigger battle chest. Where's the small one? How about just regular Warcraft 3? Is that one also Mac? Dude, what? I had no idea. Okay, I'm going to assume the other one is. I apparently don't know where it is offhand. I thought it was right here. It might be behind, like, the Barbie or something. But I'm not seeing it quickly. I'm just going to assume it is. Okay, so we're going to update the StarCraft battle chest. It's just like regular StarCraft. Mac 2? Where is that? StarCraft. There's the Brood War expansion. And Pentium 90, Windows 95. Okay, so this is not Mac. So is the battle chest the first way to get Mac support then? Interesting. So yeah, StarCraft battle chest, Mac OS X, 10.3.9 or higher power PC. Dude, that's crazy. Okay, huh. I had no idea. So let's edit this one. We're just going to mark this like that. Wait, was it already marked like that? No, this one here. Boom, apply, save, and let's go to StarCraft now. Get out of here, edit. I don't care. No. Not the Wings of Liberty one, which I need to rename, actually, because there should be a space. StarCraft, Brood War, Collectors, Wings of Liberty, Next Generation. Okay. Crap. Don't tell me I don't have the StarCraft battle chest. Oh, I misspelled it. That would be why. Wait, I have two of these. Big box, larger box, and... Oh, I missed one. Okay, hold on. Correction time. Okay, so this is actually correctly marked here. So here's what happened. We have StarCraft Battle Chest 2, so this is a duplicate. This is the big box, but small box, big box, and this is the big box. These need to be on the same page. Where's the good StarCraft? I just looked at it by accident. So I just need to merge these. There we go. Larger box, smaller box, boom. And then we'll go and delete that other page. So more, delete. Yeah, okay. All right. We're barely going to make it through everything I wanted to catalog here. There's still 5 more titles. This is taking forever. Did we even get the Warcraft one done? I think we did. Recent changes. Okay, these were already marked as Power PC, so that's fine. Warcraft did get marked. Okay, good. Boom. There we go. And what you want to see there, Dogface, is this. There you go. Cataloged. All right. Up next. Oh, that's right. There's only 4 because a Blu-ray set or something got mixed in here. Or is that just DVDs? It doesn't say, so it's got to be DVD. Okay. Next is a game everyone should try. All right. I don't care if you like The Godfather or not. I don't care about The Godfather even in the slightest. Okay. I'm not even sure I've ever actually watched the movie. This game is amazing. All right. It is not a GTA knockoff. It's so good. Yeah, it's crooked because it weighs 1,000,000 pounds, and I put it on a music stand, and it was like, under the weight. But this game is super good, way better than it has any right to be. Also, it'll run on an Intel Atom for some reason. It's so well optimized. Like, who is it made by? I mean, I guess EA, but like, is there an actual developer? Redwood Shores? No, that's their address. Maybe it's just straight up EA, but it's so good. Has no reason to be as good as it is. Didn't even know they made a game. It insists upon itself. But yeah, shockingly good game. All right. The Godfather, the game, the box. So this is from 2006. UPC is missing. Weird. It is DVD. Box condition, I'm giving it a 4. There's some distressing on the clear wrap thing, and it is a small box. Oh yeah, it's for IBM PC. I don't think it supports any other platforms, but the sticker that has the system requirements would have been on the bottom, and now it's gone. So, oh, there's a map? Dude, how did I not remember there was a map? Curious how familiar the map will be to me. I may not have played this since 2010. It's not very familiar to me anymore. Ooh, it might be time to replay this. Ooh. Okay. Well, that kind of makes me excited, actually. Hopefully it holds up better than Need for Speed Most Wanted did. That game sucked. I mean, Carbon, because Most Wanted always sucked. I wanted to go play Carbon again, and it's like, oh, that's terrible. Hopefully it holds up better. All right. The next box is yellow, because it's a game that doesn't work. This is a dead game. Actually, you might be able to redeem the key, but, you know, that's tied to a Steam account, so I can't use this box. Although I only own Counter-Strike because, like, half of the downloads for Gary's mod used Counter-Strike assets. So at one point, I just bought Counter-Strike so I could stop looking at magenta checkerboards. It's the only reason. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but to me, that's just the most hilarious reason to buy it. All right. Pop that there. This will be Counter Strike Source. Source is not dead. This is a Steam game with a Steam key that I can't redeem. It's a dead game. That's what I mean. Is that box trash as far as like usability is concerned to me? I cannot use it. It's from 2005. The UPC. Oh, it does exist. Boop. All right. Box condition. I think it gets a 5. It looks pretty good. 5. Got it for the same reason. Next thing I knew, I was a lem and my wife complained about addiction. Please stop yelling loudly at night. See, I never had that issue. I didn't play that. I was more concerned about being annoyed that the portal gun wasn't in Garry's Mod and that I didn't understand why they didn't base Garry's Mod off of the version of Source that used Portal. But, you know, it's just like a different problem. All right, it's a DVD, I presume. It doesn't really matter since you can't use it. Disc 1 of like 12, so I'm going to guess it's CD. Oh, there's the system requirements. Someone was smart. They put the sticker inside. Okay. It's Windows only. And it doesn't say DVD drive, and it's 2005. I don't know. Is that CD or DVD? It's got to be CD. It's CD. Okay. CD. It fell on the ground. Oh well. No one cares. And IBM PC. Okay. Create page. What happened? Oh, I didn't add that. Box. Create page. Okay, we got a problem. We gonna make like a carbon jet? Yeah, but you just gave me a problem. Because of you, I have this. Also, is the disc missing? Oh man, do we just like... You know what? Do we even bother? Here's the thing. Ugh. Throw it out? I mean, I'm almost tempted. No. This is my copy of the Wolfenstein New Order. Okay, we cataloged this. There's a disc, there's some paperwork and all that fun stuff. It's the Doom beta version, okay? This is dog faces. Everything is missing. I don't know why. So here's the thing. Also, they're identical releases. So like, no way that's yours. I'm pretty sure. It's possible it came from one other person, actually. So maybe it's not yours then. But yeah, okay, maybe we just skip that one. You know what? Let's just... Do I chuck them? Do I try and acquire the discs? They're not that great. Well, here's the thing. Like, why would I buy this disc? This was... I'm pretty sure it used Steam. Steam subscriber, yeah. So even if I like tried to get a second copy of the disc, still useless. Shockingly, never played that. It's okay. You're not really missing anything. We're gonna skip that one. We're not gonna do that. I think I'm not gonna catalog a duplicate empty box. I don't think there's a point, especially for a DVD case game that requires Steam. Who cares? So anyway, all right. Anyway, here's Orange Box. I've been teasing it for long enough. Only one of the most significant game releases of all time. Because of Portal. Nah, it's orange. It's just the exposure highlighting. Remember this game came out and asked for it? Dad kept saying he was get me a box of oranges. Yeah, we got to it. This was a triumph. Exactly. I didn't know that. That was kind of smart by Gwenview there. I will artificially demonstrate this. I hate the way you suckered me into saying, yeah, you're free to go. This is the last one. If you zoom in and then do Shift C, it'll set the crop to the area you're viewing. That's kind of clever. Does it contain real oranges? All right. The orange box. Year, I don't know the year. 2005? 2007. Man, it took forever to make Portal. UPC. Boop. Software, box condition. I'm going to give it a 4. It's a little scuffed up. It is a DVD box type. I want orange. I'm now sad that this is a checkbox or a select box instead of being able to fill in custom. I want to make it orange. But I also want the categorization to work. So maybe we just be real instead of jokey. It's for IBM PC. Later it would be Mac too. I don't think this one is. And whoever bought this initially, not necessarily you, Dogface, pretty sure I also have this, did not put the sticker inside. Gonna give it a 4. Oh, I meant to give it a 4. All right. Notes. Contains Half-Life 2 Team Fortress 2 and Portal. Only the best game ever. Orange box. All right, create page. Boom. The orange box. Beautiful. Okay. And that's it for today. I would have ripped The Godfather, except I know I already have, because this is actually one of the releases that comes on a DVD that contains an ISO 9660 file system, so it's kind of really strange. That is in contrast to being a UDF. A UDF is the file system type for DVD, but for some weird reason, that one is ISO 9660, which makes it complicated to rip and identify. And if you ever wonder why I bother steering people to my CD ripping script that I can't spell, there's no way it's gonna find my thing here. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, please tell me I'm actually logged in. No, I had the audacity to not log in for a week and now it's logged me out. Ugh. Anyway, my CD ripping script identifies a disc in different ways to determine whether it is a DVD or not and how to rip it. That was one of the edge cases that made it break. So yeah, it was kind of weird. Seems like a good way to get whacked, yeah. So, all right, that's going to be it. And then the other thing I grabbed by accident needs to get pulled out. It's the Star Wars, the good ones. On DVD? Yeah, DVD. So, let's see. Are they in there? No. No, they're not. Why? 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 Why is it just empty? Seriously? It's just useless. So that's that then. I'm gonna go put, I want to put these games back on the shelf, but I think I should keep them separated. And now I have the song stuck in my head because I'm out of new shelving to put small box on until I get about that much more catalog, maybe twice as much as that actually, because yeah, we're out of that. I'm gonna a dear MTK remove. Make you, yeah, I like it. All right, there we go. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Warcraft There was another duplicate and then another one that we identified and booted out. So we did like 15 to 20 titles today. It was a little mixed. Oh, someone threw a bunch of empty Star Wars cases all over the floor. Who would do such a thing? And we identified that I'm apparently not done cataloging big boxes. That's just great. I was kind of planning on doing a once-over of all the big box stuff just to confirm it, but now I have confirmation that I haven't confirmed them all, so there's that. I'm wondering if there's maybe a reason I skipped it. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow, we're going to go back to the Simons, and I now have CLR for trying to clean up the battery acid. So you can look forward to being able to do that without just having to sandpaper all of the battery acid off. And by sandpaper, I mean scrape it off with a knife, because that's how I was doing it. Now we're going to be able to do it chemically and neutralize it. So yeah, could scan barcode, go to the game page quickly. Potentially, I could, yes. It might be possible. I think I can do a semantic search by the barcode property to do that, so I might be able to do it that way. Yeah, and avoid typing. I theoretically should be able to. Not every game has a barcode, but for the ones that don't, that can be the exception. We're at the like clickety-clack for a search. So, yes, tomorrow, Simon. So we'll hopefully make more progress with it. I thought it was going to be a 2-hour stream the first time we started that, but they were in way worse condition than I realized. So yeah, we're going to give it a 4-hour slot now and like really try to make some progress. As a reminder, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Simons in Super Simon and 1 Pocket Simon. And then I have a sealed Super Simon, but I don't think it comes with batteries, so it should be fine. But they probably all have some amount of battery damage. Some of them don't work. It's just Simon. Just Simon. That's the name of the game, Simon. It's not, it is incorrectly known as Simon Says, but the game name is actually just called Simon. So yeah, we're going to take a look at fixing those because, I mean, old electronics are cool. So, yeah. Anywho, that's it. So, I am going to run the outro. All right. Thank you all for being with me here today as we did some nice chill cataloging. Found some really cool stuff. I was not expecting to find the Code Weavers program. That's super cool. Definitely gonna have to look into that more. That's really awesome. That might even be worth a video, actually. I don't know. That's pretty darn sweet. So I'm gonna have to check that out more, see if I can find a Mac that I have that it works on. Do I own a Mac that would work on? Well, that's a question I'm gonna have to figure out. Yeah, Dogface comes through again. Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to call that here. So, if you enjoyed this stream, you may want to follow to be notified when I go live again next. If you want to help support the channel, you can find me on Patreon or get a shirt like this one. But for now, that's it, and I will see you next time.